In a tale of legal intrigue, the judge presiding over Donald Trump's civil fraud trial has given the green light to a subpoena aimed at a prominent New York City real estate attorney. This attorney, none other than Adam Leitman Bailey, has made bold claims of an illicit conversation with New York Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron regarding Trump's case. Whispers of this alleged discussion took place in a dimly lit hallway, weeks before a momentous ruling that held Trump accountable for a staggering $364 million. A sum that grew to a mind-boggling $454 million, with the addition of interest. Bailey, not only a skilled attorney but also a legal analyst, divulged the details of this clandestine conversation to WNBC on a fateful day, February 16, the very same day the court issued its damning judgment against Trump. The revelation of this secret chat sent shockwaves through the legal community, prompting the New York State Commission on Judicial Conduct to launch a thorough investigation into the nature of the exchange between Bailey and Engoron. Seizing upon the media frenzy and the subsequent ethical inquiry, Trump's legal team sprang into action, wielding their legal arsenal to request an extensive subpoena for any documents that may reside within Bailey's possession. Their aim? To unearth any traces of communication between Bailey and the court that may hint at bias or impropriety, potentially casting doubt on the fairness of the proceedings. As the saga unfolded, Trump's defense team, in a strategic maneuver, sought Engoron's removal from the case, a move that Trump himself is currently appealing. Simultaneously, they unleashed a comprehensive subpoena targeting Bailey's cache of documents, hoping to uncover the truth hidden within the shadows. Bailey's legal representative swiftly retaliated by filing a motion to invalidate the subpoena, arguing that it was excessively wide-ranging and resembled a reckless fishing expedition. Judge Engoron, with a discerning eye, carefully considered the pleas from both parties and concluded that their requests were excessively extensive. He rejected the sweeping subpoena demand made by Trump's legal team, concurring with Bailey's characterization of it as an audacious fishing expedition. Engoron decreed that the request was unreasonably burdensome, as it would necessitate the disclosure of all communications, even those unrelated to the case at hand. With a touch of sarcasm, he emphasized the all-encompassing nature of the demand, jestingly remarking that it spanned from the dawn of time until this very moment. Nevertheless, the judge also acknowledged that the subpoena held some validity, considering Bailey's public statements regarding the case. Engoron chastised Bailey for bragging about his assertions, and ruled that Bailey had willingly invited scrutiny by making such extraordinary proclamations to the media. Hence, Engoron partially granted the motion to invalidate the subpoena, while denying it in part, compelling Bailey to produce any communications or documents pertaining to the case within a week. Engoron refrained from making a ruling on the broader motion for recusal, but acknowledged the ongoing investigation into Bailey's conversation with the judge. This investigation was sparked by Engoron's spokesperson's insistence that their discussion was not inappropriate. Trump's motion for recusal argued that, given the circumstances, the judge's impartiality could reasonably be questioned, justifying his removal from the case. The judge's ruling strikes a delicate balance between safeguarding the confidentiality of unrelated communications and allowing scrutiny into Bailey's specific claims about his conversation with Engoron. This decision emerges amidst a web of legal and ethical challenges surrounding the high-profile case against Trump. While the judge dismissed the wide-reaching subpoena request as a mere fishing expedition, he did permit a narrower inquiry into Bailey's communications, directly tied to the case. This nuanced ruling reflects the intricate interplay of legal strategy, media influence, and judicial ethics. In a case with significant public and political ramifications, Bailey now has a week to comply with the judge's order and furnish the requested documents to Trump's legal team, potentially shedding more light on the contentious conversation that has fueled much of the controversy in this ongoing legal saga. In a tale of legal intrigue, the judge presiding over Donald Trump's civil fraud trial has given the green light to a subpoena aimed at a prominent New York City real estate attorney. This attorney, none other than Adam Leitman Bailey, has made bold claims of an illicit conversation with New York Supreme Court Justice Arthur